Welcome to the Global Expo held in your city Shillong Polo parking lot from the 28th of July to the 13th of August. In this expo, along with the stalls of Afghanistan and Japan, Thailand, Bangladesh, stalls of different states of the country are set up, in which you will get to see and buy the best products from the front of the neat to the decorative items. So come today to the Global Expo, which will run till the 13th of August.
The State Rural Employment Society Community Rural Development Department, in collaboration with the Office of the Deputy Commissioner, East Khasi Hills District, organized the program on Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav with the Meri Maati Mera Desh campaign at Nongthymmai Lumthangding on Wednesday. On the same day, there was a statewide launch of Meri Maati Mera Desh campaign, the culminating event of Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav and the Samagra Vas. Chief guest and Minister of CRD A.T. Mondal delivered the inaugural address and said that the program is to commemorate Azadi Ka Mahotsav. He shared that the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visions India to be one of the economically vibrant country. Commissioner and Secretary CRD Department, Fr. Kharkongor, said that the significance of the program is paying tribute to the soil and salutation to the heroes.
We have seen in our freedom struggle, our own freedom fighters, if we name Utirot Singh, Ukyang Nongba, Pa Togon Nangminja Sangma, Kafan Nongleit, they have fought for this country. And today we have the freedom because of their sacrifices for the country. And after the freedom also, the country to be kept protected. And by whom? The people who is guarding the country in the most hostile frontiers. That's why the program came Shila Folakam. That is the memorial plaque. Today after the program is there, we will open the memorial plaque where the names of the people who have sacrificed for our nation, who have sacrificed their life for our freedom and keep continuing doing so, their names will be written in golden letters. We'll be having also the Panch Pran Pledge. We will take oath on the 5-point programs. And then we'll have Basudha Bandhan. Because freedom means our motherland. And motherland means our soil. How to protect the soil. And how this soil retain its freedom, not only for the foreign aggression, but from the various things that creates problem for our society's development. So all these programs will be done. And the soil will be collected from each and every VC. I think we are also doing the same thing. And it will be put in a jar. And the jar will be carried to Delhi. And all the soils carried from the four corners of the country will be put into a garden. And this garden will be called a Amrit Vatika. So tomorrow when we will go and visit this Amrit Vatika in Delhi, we will see that soils of all the villages of Meghalaya is also present there. The idea is to make the unity among all the nooks and corners and its people living there.